Hey, Dennis here. Just got some new tote bags in to my gift shop. I got some samples here I thought I'd open up and show you. This one has my picture, Autumn's Road. This is the large size of the three sizes. They come in 18 by 18, 16 by 16, and 13 by 13. Like I said, this is the largest size. They have black handles, black interior. It's some sort of spun woven or non-woven material, polyester. This one has my picture of the Grand Havens waves. These are great for taking to the beach or going to the farmer's market. Got two good-sized towels in this one. Let's see what they hold. I can see us using these a lot when we go camping and packing some stuff in. And if you want to check them out on my website, you go to the denniskaski.art. Go to the gift shop and there will be a tote bag section. You'll see. Feel free to check them out.